In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to your soundbar using an optical cable. This way you can watch movies or listen to music while being connected to your iPhone without using Bluetooth. First step is to obviously have a soundbar with an optical input. The iPhone does not have any audio jack, so you'll need one of these adapters, USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. I'll put links to this in the description for everything that I'm showing you right now, so it's easier. Okay, so once this is connected, there is no cable that starts 3.5mm and ends up optical on the other end. Unfortunately, you need a converter. In this video, and I used it personally, I'm using this Link 4 that converts analog, that's from the iPhone, to digital. Okay, so how this works, very easy. This adapter needs power, so it comes included with a power cable that you need to connect. On one end, it has this 3.5mm connector. I'm gonna plug it in your iPhone. And on the other end, it has an optical out connector. It comes with an optical cable, so go ahead and connect the optical cable in the port right over there. Then connect the other end of the optical cable in the back of your soundbar. Turn on your soundbar and put it into optical mode, OPT, okay? Then take your iPhone, and you may get this message. Once you see this, select headphones. And this is it. Now if I play anything on my iPhone, let's say I'm on my YouTube channel, in this video, this is a quick, the sound is now coming out of the soundbar. And you can control using the iPhone buttons. It's called Classic because it got that look, you know. So this is about it. This is how you connect your iPhone, also works with iPad, to your soundbar using an optical connection. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.